Hey, hi all, welcome back to our channel guys, and today it's an unboxing video guys. Actually, here you can see, here's the smartwatch. Today now we are going to do unboxing of this smartwatch only guys. Actually the smartwatch is from GOBOULT Dia smartwatch. Actually today we are going to do the unboxing of this smartwatch only guys. Actually here you can see it's comes with 3.5 centimeter HD display with multifunction button is there, and it's not a square type, it's a circular type of screen. And there is a 1 year warranty is also there with yeah, voice assistance is there, find my phone option is there, and water resistance is there. And not only that, you can choose what are multiple face, actually watch face you can choose. And okay, it's just an overview only guys. Just after unboxing, let's see what all the features were there in this. Actually I purchased this smartwatch from Flipkart. Attributes cost of 1104 rupees guys. If you're using any Flipkart Access Bank card means you will get some additional discounts, 5% I think in Flipkart. Yeah, 5% discount you will get of this smartwatch. And okay guys, let's come on. Actually this is first video from GOBOULT actually, I think, in my channel. Actually this is the first watch of this brand. This now I'm going to do unboxing now. Okay, let's go on. Now it's time to open it out. Now just I need to remove this cover, top layer. Actually I purchased this from Flipkart Minutes guys. Minutes means you will get a delivery in 10 minutes around, like grocery. Just same day delivery in 5 minutes after booking through Flipkart app. Actually you can see here's the watch box. Okay, let's come on. It's now time to do unboxing. I need to open it up now. Okay, oops, yeah, like this guys. Here you can see, like never before. It's good, you can see. Okay, just need to open it out now. Yeah, come on. Okay, let's see what are the things they are providing here. Okay, here it's showing accessories inside, scan for manual, scan and secure. Okay, I think we need to download the app by scanning through this, I think, to pair this watch. Oh, okay, actually it's for warranty registration guys. Here you can see, scan the QR code, fill in your details, you are set with warranty. Okay, we need to scan this for warranty to register for 12 months warranty. Okay, let's keep this aside. Before taking this watch, let's first take accessories first out. Here you can see, here's the charging cable. Actually we need to use a power adapter. This is the charging cable. You can see it's good. Okay, let's keep this aside. And okay guys, here's the smartwatch. Actually there's nothing inside, that's it. And okay, let's now time to take this out now. Let's come on. Okay, just keep this aside. Okay guys, here you can see here's the smartwatch. Just we need to remove this out. Okay, it's very tight guys. Yeah, it's came. Okay, let's keep this aside. And here you can see guys, here's the watch. Actually there is no weight guys, the weight is also very less. Okay, let's come on. Actually guys, here you can see, actually this watch will support Bluetooth calling with dedicated speaker and mic is there in this smartwatch. And not only that, there is a 500 nits brightness is also there in this smartwatch. And it comes with 2.5D curved display. Actually you can see it's a HD display only. And like other things like health monitoring, under that SpO2 blood oxygen saturation monitor, 24/7 heart rate monitor. And not only that, for females, menstrual cycle tracking monitor is also there guys in this smartwatch. These are the features is there in this GOBOULT smartwatch actually. And you can choose any watch faces. There's customization watch face option is also there in this. and Bluetooth version is 5.3 guys. Water resistance, which it is coming with IP67. That's good, that is. And you can choose there is a different kinds of color is also there, like strap option I am saying, like jet black, silver for stainless steel and all that. Okay, you can choose any of this, and calling function is there, and it's comes with the touchscreen guys. Okay, these are all the things where they are in this smartwatch. Okay, let's go on. It's now time to turn this on now. So you can see optical PPG tech. Okay, 5-volt touch. Here we need to keep a charge. Here you can see here the 3 dots. Okay, let's go on. It's now time to turn this on now. Okay, it's turning on. Okay, just we need to scan to download this app guys, and we need to pair. That's it. Okay guys, actually this unboxing video only. In next video I will do these things guys, by pairing and scanning and doing setup, like between this watch and phone. I will make a separate video for that. And okay guys, regarding this video, that's all. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you're having any queries or comments, ask in the below comment section guys. I will reply soon as possible, and do like us and subscribe our channel for more videos guys. Bye. I will see you in next video.